my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and today I will be showing you a few items I picked up over at HomeGoods. I'm also going to show a little bit of my formal living room, just adding a few more decoration pieces. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share and like. Let's get into it. These beautiful feather-filled pillows I picked up over at HomeGoods, and I can't wait to put them in my bedroom. I also picked up these beauties. They are more of a microfiber material, a super pretty fall color, really soft. I can't wait to, decorate my bedroom and also the living room with these. 10 out of 10. I also picked up these curtains for my bedroom. I am bringing in that kind of gold copper color rust look for the fall. These are 120 length. I can't wait to hang those. These babies, I saw them a few times going into HomeGoods, and I said, you know what, I am going to buy them because they are nice, but the color is just a little boring for me. So what I'm going to do is a DIY project and paint them. I'm not sure what color yet, but I'm going to give them a little remix, and then I'm sure I'll find a place in my home to style them. They are made super nice and sturdy. Thomasville is a really good brand. So I know that I can give these a look that will be satisfying and work for me throughout the space. And you can't beat that they're on clearance. This beautiful tray I had to pick up is very large and very sturdy, a kind of metal tray. I can use it on my ottoman, on the counter, on the island to style different things like perfumes and candles and vases. I'll also, I'm sure, use it in my bedroom, on the dresser. So this was absolutely a great find. These were so cute. I saw them a time before this trip over to HomeGoods, and I decided to pick them up, and they look great just as is with the tops on, but you can also use them as a vase to hold flowers or any kind of floral sticks or stems. So they are super cute. The color is kind of a grayish blue color. I know it kind of looks black on the screen, but right now, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and start styling this entry table by my front door in the formal living room. I did get these plaques that are on the wall from Z Gallery, so I just hung those up just to give that a dedicated space on that empty wall in the formal living room. And the pieces that I am using came from different stores. The candle holders I got from Tuesday Morning. They are super cute, kind of a metallic antique finish. The boxes that you see at the bottom of the entry table I did pick up from HomeGoods. The silver vase I picked up over at Ross. I actually bought 2 of these. The stems of pampas I did pick up over at HomeGoods a while back, and I did not like the way that looked because it was covering the plaques on the wall. So that's why you see me swapping it out for those cute little vases that I just showed you in the previous clip. So I'm just putting some flowers in these vases. I picked up the flowers from TJ Maxx. I like them because they're super flexible. You can bend them how you need to for the perfect placement. And oh yeah, the little statue guy that you see at the bottom, I did pick him up over at Ross a while back, and the lamp came from HomeGoods. I'm just going to finish up here and then give you a tour of the final look in the formal living and dining room. the last piece that I picked up over at HomeGoods. It is a metal decoration piece for your wall. This was $29.99, and I was looking for something gold, but yet kind of simple to add in my family room on the wall over the fireplace. And I'm sure it's going to make its way throughout the house as I decorate and change things around. But I really like this piece, and it's really, really large. So this will complement, you know, multiple areas in your house. So this was a good find. Well guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and share with a friend. Until next time, bye.